स्पेशल स्टॉक मार्केट के बिगिनर्स कोर्स में आपका स्वागत है। Risk management. Risk management is an essential part of successful trading. It involves identifying, assessing, and controlling the potential for losses in a trading portfolio. Here's how you can apply risk management principles to your trading activities. Understanding trading risk. Trading risk refers to the potential for loss due to the price fluctuations of the securities you're trading. This could be due to market volatility, economic changes, or specific events related to the companies whose securities you're trading. Risk identification and assessment. The first step in risk management is to identify potential risks. This involves a thorough analysis of the market conditions, economic indicators, and specific characteristics of the securities you're trading. Once potential risks are identified, they need to be assessed in terms of their potential impact and the likelihood of their occurrence. This can be done using various risk assessment tools and techniques, such as value at risk, VAR, stress testing, or scenario analysis. Risk control strategies. After identifying and assessing risks, the next step is to develop strategies to control these risks. There are several common risk control strategies in trading. Position sizing. This involves determining the right amount of a security to buy or sell in order to avoid exposing too much of your portfolio to a single trade. Stop loss and take profit orders. These are orders placed with a broker to sell a security when it reaches a certain price. Stop-loss orders are designed to limit an investor's loss on a position in a security, while take-profit orders are designed to lock in a specific level of profit. Diversification. This involves spreading your trades across a variety of securities or asset classes to reduce exposure to any single asset or risk. Hedging. This involves taking an offsetting position in a related security to counterbalance potential losses. Risk monitoring and review. Risk management is an ongoing process. Once a risk control strategy is in place, it's important to continually monitor and review the strategy to ensure it's working as expected. This involves tracking the performance of your trades, keeping an eye on market conditions and economic indicators, and adjusting your strategy as needed. Risk tolerance and trading. An important aspect of risk management in trading is understanding your own risk tolerance. This is the degree of variability in trading returns that you are willing to withstand. Your risk tolerance will determine how much risk you're willing to take on and will guide your risk control strategies. For more videos, subscribe to my YouTube